did a Karen almost ruin your life? Taking my 2-year-old daughter to the park was supposed to be a normal afternoon. She loved the swings, and I loved watching her laugh every time she kicked her little feet into the air. Then I noticed her, a woman standing nearby, arms crossed, staring at us. At first I thought nothing of it. Parents watch their kids all the time. But then she marched over with this fake, polite smile, and asked why I was with a random child. I told her plainly that she was my daughter. That's when things got weird. She narrowed her eyes and asked where her mother was. I said she was at home, confused as to why that even mattered. But Karen wasn't satisfied. She crouched down in front of my daughter and asked if she knew me. That's when I realized she actually thought I was kidnapping my own child. I told her to back off, but she gasped like I had just confessed to something terrible. Before I knew it, she was on the phone with the cops, loudly claiming that a suspicious man was at the park with a little girl who looked terrified. So now I was standing there, trying not to lose my mind while waiting for the cops to arrive. When they did, they immediately saw my daughter happily swinging, oblivious to the insanity unfolding. I explained the situation and they asked her who I was. She excitedly yelled, "Dad!" and reached for me. I thought that would be the end of it. But Karen, in full hero mode, grabbed my daughter's hand and said she'd take her somewhere safe. Before I could even react, one of the cops stopped her. She started screaming that she was saving my child while pushing the cops off her. Meanwhile, my daughter was still giggling on the swing, completely unbothered. The Karen made such a scene that the cops had to take her away in the police car. And after this, I'm never letting a Karen near my daughter again.